How are you? You are fine at home? Very good. I hope you are enjoying your holidays and doing your work also. Very good. I am very happy that you are doing very well at home and you are following my instructions that I am giving to you, and your parents are also helping you. Very good. Now today I want to tell you about your new friend. You want to meet your new friend? Yes? Okay. Now see. She is your new friend. She is your new friend. Say hello. Hello. Do you know her name? Her name is Guinea. Her name is Guinea. Today I am going to tell you a story about your new friend, Guinea. 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 She is a girl. She is a girl. She is a girl. She loves to play guitar. She loves to play guitar. She enjoys playing guitar. Now she is standing in her beautiful garden full of flowers, greenery. It is a beautiful garden, and in the garden she is standing on her grass. Grass. And grass is of which color? Green color. Green color. Now there is a gate of the garden. Gate of the garden. Now Guinea is very happy because her grandfather has given her gift. She got a gift from her grandfather. So she is very happy and she is playing music on guitar. And the sound is coming And there was a goat standing in the garden on green grass. And she is also eating the grass. She was also eating the grass, and she is also feeling very happy as she was eating her favorite food, grass, and she is listening the music from that is coming from guitar. She is enjoying. She is very happy. In the garden there is a grapevine also. There are so many beautiful grapes on the vine. And it is a beautiful garden. And your friend Guinea is very happy. Show me a happy face. Very good. Do you enjoy the story about your new friend Guinea? Yes. Now I have told so many times, I have read out go. Yes. Now today we are going to learn about letter G. Letter G, and the sound coming from this letter is G. And the sound coming from this letter is G. Gate. Now we are going to revise some words that you have heard in the story when I was narrating it. That was gate, gift, garden, girl. And what was the name of the girl? Guinea. And what she was playing? Guitar. What sound was coming? Grass. Goat. Grapes. Today you will revise letter G and you will read out the sound twice or thrice, and you will learn the sound of letter G. God bless you, beta. Bye bye.